Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm glad to welcome you to our Facebook and Instagram Ads Mastery Guide course. In this course, you will learn all the information on how to become a Facebook ads expert and get a new digital marketing job in a company or become a freelancer working remotely and making more than $5,000 per month by providing a Facebook ads service. In just an hour, you will launch your first ad campaign and get your first potential clients. Just 1 hour and the new world of digital marketing opens up to you. So, why digital marketing? Why Facebook ads? And why now? Usually, people spend 6 hours on the internet every day. Just think about it. People spend 1/3 of their lives on the internet. That's a lot of attention. Without attention, you can't make sales. That's why businesses need a digital marketing specialist who knows how to grab attention on the internet and make sales. More than 2.5 billion people use Facebook and Instagram every day. These are two of the largest social networks in the world, owned by parent company Meta. It is a perfect fishing pond. 200 million businesses pay to advertise on Facebook. That means those 200 million businesses could be your potential clients who need your Facebook advertising service. Imagine there are 200,000 potential clients for you. It's a big industry where everyone can find a place and make a good money. Today, the world has gone online, and it lets you work remotely from anywhere without being tied to a location. Now you don't have to drive to the office at 8 a.m. and you don't have to get stuck in traffic jams. Now is the best time to become a freelancer. Who will find this course useful? First, it's people who want to become digital marketers and Facebook ads experts. If you want to work in a company or as a freelancer, this is a good starting point for a new career in the digital marketing industry. Also, this course is helpful for people who already have a small business and want to learn how to promote their product or service. For people who want to learn a new profession, work remotely, and change their life. If you are tired of working in a boring office as an accountant or a salesman in an offline store, the profession of digital marketing will help you to make your life better. For those who want a flexible hours, working 4 or 5 hours a day, you don't have to sit near the computer 10 hours a day and be in touch all 24 hours. For those who want to earn more than $5,000 a month. Of course, it depends on where your clients are, but be sure a good expert in Facebook advertising earns enough money for a comfortable life. So, what will you learn? You'll learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads from A to Z, how to find clients for advertising setup services, how to start making $5,000 or more in your new profession. Next 45 minutes could change your life. Why should you learn in Epicway? Here are a few words about us. Epicway is a platform that helps over 20,000 Facebook experts to automate their work. In this course, you'll learn how to use Epicway in your work, but that's not the main topic. Most of our users became Facebook experts after taking Epicway Academy courses. It's the 4th iteration of Facebook and Instagram Ads Mastery Guide course. Each time we improve the learning process. We add new and relevant information. Also, we removed a lot of lessons which were not efficient. You can get results only through trial and mistake. This course was made by 6 marketing specialists of the Epicway team and more than 25 Epicway's clients who are marketing specialists too. So, it was created by a whole team, not just one person. A group of specialists will always be more effective than a single instructor. In this course, you will learn everything you need to succeed as a Facebook expert. So, what's about the format? We combined 3 trainings format. The first is a video with screenshots of the interface with step-by-step instructions. The second format is a screencast video tutorial. And the third is a PDF format with text and pictures. At the end of each lesson, there's homework. So in the beginning, you watch what you need to do and then repeat. Also, we prepared ready-made templates, so you can get the result as quickly as possible. If you have any question, you can write them in our community, and a specialist will tell you how to fix your mistakes. You can find the link to our community below this video. So you'll have all the educational information to become a digital marketing specialist, and our support team will lead you through the jungle of Facebook advertising. Don't be lazy, your future is in your hands. See you in the next video.